Hello students, in today's lecture we will see the 4P model of lean manufacturing. What is meant by the 4P model? So very first one is in 4P model that indicates 4P, that is nothing but your philosophy, process, people and partners, and fourth one is your problem solving. In first case, that is philosophy, that is nothing but long term philosophies as the fundamental law for everything. Means we have to, if you are having your small scale industry, or you have to think for it for the long term concept, how to and how to manage everything. That is nothing but your philosophy. Means and 4P model of Toyota production system means Toyota leaders see the company as the vehicle for adding values to customers, society, and also for the community. Okay. Then Toyota also believes on depending on peoples, that we don't just build cars, we also build to the peoples, right? And building a common sense of purpose and responsibilities in people, that doesn't matter if the count is on hundreds or thousands. That doesn't matter whether you are a supervisor or a manager. That is nothing but your philosophy, right? So next one is your process. In process, change or improvement can be for one time or constant or a large or a small. Okay. But Toyota has taken it as a process of continuous flow. Okay, continuous flow. टू टाइप्स के फ्लो होते हैं इंडस्ट्री में. दैट इज़ वेरी फर्स्ट वन इज़ मटेरियल फ्लो एंड सेकेंड वन इज़ इंफॉर्मेशन फ्लो. So Toyota has taken it as a process flow of continuous improvement, and for the process welcomes each of Toyota employees to participate and articulate their views of improvement. Okay, so this is comes under the process. Next one is your people and partners. People and partners means Toyota managers and leaders play vital role in building raw teams into higher class workers. They are trained to play the role of teachers who need to pass their knowledge and experience to the next generation. Okay, means they are respecting the peoples and growing with them, right? This all are comes under people and partners, right? So next one is your problem solving. In this case, this key principle of Toyota suggests that to root out any problem, the leader has to go the actual place where the problem is occurring. It means staying in the same environment, experiencing, observing, and analyzing to find out the solution rather than being offset and devising strategy without any real idea. Okay, so means happening out there. ओके, सो द मीन्स इसके थ्रू क्या होता है कि हमारी कंटिन्यूस इम्प्रूवमेंट एंड प्लस साइमल्टेनियसली वी आर गेटिंग लर्निंग विथ इट. ओके, दिस इज नथिंग बट योर problem solving. These are the 4 P's, that is psychology, process, people and partners, and problem solving. Okay, तो साइकोलॉजी में क्या है कि फिलोसॉफी में क्या है कि फर्स्ट हाउ टू क्रिएट वैल्यूज, एलिमिनेट वेस्ट एंड डिफेक्ट्स, राइट? So means be always be improving everybody in the everybody from the industry, everybody anywhere, everywhere, and every day, right? So data driven decision making, and also customer means externally and internally focusing on it. These are the benefits, these are the some elements of the philosophy. Next one is your process. In this case you have to create flow and pull process, right? And statistical process control भी आपको ये process में देखना पड़ेगा. And you have to understand the value of the stream. Okay, this comes under the process. And in people, we have to supplies as partner, respect to the workers. Okay, and in problem solving there is a means what we can go see for yourself. In Japanese word, what we called it as an genchi genbutsu, right? Means go see for yourself. Means root cause analysis and statistical analysis also comes under this 4P Toyota applied lean manufacturing process. Okay, this is nothing but your 4P model. And one more thing, that is in philosophy submodel, that management diseases is based on the long term philosophy, even at the expense of short term financial loss, right? And in process submodel also, that you have to see the one piece flow, that is waste elimination. Second one is your use pool system to avoid overproduction. Pool system लगाने का for the to avoid the overproduction. Third one is Hijunka. We already in previous lecture said the Hijunka concept means level the workload. Okay, and also Jidoka means built in quality आपके इंस्टीट्यूट और आपके इंडस्ट्री में या तो आपके ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में ही होना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट वन इज योर स्टैंडर्डाइज वर्क. विजुअल मैनेजमेंट के मैनेजमेंट में क्या आता है आपका कि दैट इज़ नथिंग बट टू अप्लाई फायर्स काइजन्स. मीन छोटे छोटे काइजन्स करने के, उससे कंपनी को, उससे आपके ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को फ़ायदा हो सके, राइट? एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज़ योर यूज रिलायबल एंड प्रूवन टेक्नोलॉजी. This all the concepts came under the process submodel. Next one is your people and partner submodel. In that case you have to grow leaders who understand the work and live the philosophy. Next, to develop expectational people and teams, respect extended networks of partners and suppliers. Means you have to respect to each and everyone in this case. And last is your problem solving submodel. In that as I have already told you, that is Genchi Genbutsu, means go see for yourself, decision by slow consequences, implement quickly. And Kaizen also become a learning organization. Kaizen means continual improvement should be there in your organization. This is nothing but the 4 layer or the 4 submodels of the 4P model. Thank you, friends.